Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at Soundcore's newest earbuds. This is the Liberty Air 2 Pro, retailing for under $130. These earbuds provide a significant leap forward in sound quality and functionality with hybrid active noise cancellation and multi-mode transparency, allowing you to filter noises in or out. The Liberty Air 2 Pro uses Soundcore's 11mm PureNote Drivers, providing an unrivaled audio experience in its price bracket. And active noise cancellation, plus it's recommended by 10 Grammy Award-winning artists. So let's take a look at Soundcore's latest earbuds and test them out. Now let's take a brief look around the packaging. So it comes really nicely packaged in a premium feel to there, just showing you around. And now coming over to this side, there's a flap here and magnetic as well. And opening it up reveals the earbuds and the charging case. Coming over here, there's a flap, and if I open that up, just reveals the items in there. The earbuds come in 4 colors, so onyx black, titanium white, sapphire blue, and crystal pink. The ones I'll be showing are the Sapphire Blues. So first of all, we have the charging case. You've got a logo there with their branding on there. And to open this up, it's just a matter of pushing it up and it just glides up quite nicely. Good smooth action to there. A rubber feel all the way around on here. And coming around the back, you've got a button here and a Type-C connection for charging it. Coming around, and then you've got some indicator lights there. And that will give you an indication when it's charged. Looking underneath, nothing on there. The charging case itself actually has wireless charging capability on there, and it's nice and compact, so it can easily fit into your pocket. Now coming in close on the earbud, you've got some branding here, their logo, plasticky all the way round. You've got touch controls on the side. You've got an LED indicator at the top here. The driver here just behind there is 11mm, so a fair size to it, and you've got the contacts for charging and the indicator for right on there. Rubber piece here obviously is best to get the right size, which is molded for your ear. If I pull this off, that's what that reveals. Touch controls at the side, and there's no sort of click or anything like that. It's literally just a tap and you should be able to control it. There's 2 earbuds side by side. Now coming back to the packaging, there's a flap here. If I lift that off, you've got a charging cable here, Velcro strap on there, and USB to Type-C. Got some instructions here, and then looking under there, you've got some replacement earbuds. So in terms of usage, make sure you try out the different buds to get a nice snug fit in your ear. The better the fit, the better sound quality is going to be. As I mentioned previously, you've got 11mm drivers in here, and on the drivers they've actually put on 10 nano layers for better sound accuracy and clarity. Now looking at the case, you've got an indicator for left and right, so it's just a matter of just placing the correct earbud in. It just clips into position. So it's magnetically held in position, so if I now hold it upside down, you can see nothing's fallen out. So quite nice like that. And again, if you close it, fits in really well. Press the button up here, just tells you how full it is. So it's not at maximum. You can see all 3 lights aren't on at the moment. Now in terms of battery life, Soundcore claim total battery life of 26 hours. And for each earbud will give you around 7 hours of playtime with no active noise cancelling and 6 hours with active noise cancelling on. And what's cool about these earbuds is that they do support fast charging as well. So if you charge them for 15 minutes, it'll give you 2 hours of playtime. So really impressive. So nice, it even has wireless charging. So I've got my S10 Plus here. If I drop this down, go to wireless power share. Now if I close the case, place it underneath, there you go, charging. And now flipping over, you got the indicator there, that's it's charging up. Now in terms of connectivity, the earbuds are connected via Bluetooth. Once they're connected, Soundcore also have an app as well you can use in conjunction with the earbuds. So now coming to the Play Store, that's the app you'd be after, Soundcore. I've already got it installed, so let me open it up. Very useful app to have because as you can see here, you've got the indication of battery power on each of the earbuds. Coming over to HearID and equalizer. So with personalize your earphones, you can personalize it to your levels for your ear. So it will go through a set of questions and test out different levels, and then it will customize the ear set for your particular hearing level. Now coming below, you've got equalizer settings, so coming on there just to show, you've got 22 presets here. Coming back from there, Looking in custom, you can do your own custom equalizer settings on here. And if you didn't want to go with that, obviously you reset it back again, and you can add multiple custom ones in there. Back from here, looking in home and coming into ambient sound, and this is where you can set up the active noise cancelling. So normal is just no active noise cancelling enabled, and then you've got transparency mode. So 2 modes in this one, so you've got fully transparent. So here all ambient sounds, and then on focal mode it highlights below, voices stand out more clearly from other ambient sounds. And then coming over to noise cancellation, a number of modes in here. So you've got transport, so they say targets low end frequencies like engine and road noise for your journeys and commuting, and indoor. So this is when you're indoors and you don't want to hear any voices around you. Outdoor, and this will reduce ambient sounds around you. And then custom, you can adjust to your requirements where you are. Now coming back from here, clicking on controls, and this is where you can customize the touch controls on each of the earbuds. Now coming down here, you've got double tap, clicking on there. These are the options you can have on this, and this is specific for the left one. And then coming back on the right one, you've got these options available. Back again, and then holding for 2 seconds, you can flip between these. Back again, and right one has this on there. It's a nice amount of customization available, and very useful having the app installed on your phone. One of the cool options on the earbuds is the fact it's got wearing detection on there. So when you've removed it out your ear, it just automatically pauses. So if you watch my phone there, it's not paused at the moment. If I let go here, it just pauses. So there's a detection just on the pressure around the earbud here. And it just plays again, as you can see. Look, if I let go, paused. Very nice feature to have. And that applies for both the earbuds. Okay, so I've spent some time having a play about with the earbuds and testing out different types of music on here, different levels as well, and absolutely blown away by the sound quality achievable from these. Since the actual drivers on here are quite large, bass levels are good, sound quality is very good, no distortion as well. So really impressed for such small drivers, the quality you're getting out of this. Next, let's measure the sound levels coming out of one of the earbuds. So I've got my sound level meter here, and if I place that over it and play some music, and volume is at maximum, equalizer on maximum as well, see what levels we're going to get out of this. So 65 decibels, you're going straight into your eardrum there. So levels are pretty high. So there you go, in summary, really blown away by these earbuds. Sound quality is absolutely amazing on there. Love the touch controls on the side as well. I like the fact it can detect if it's in ear or not. So if you pulled it out by accident, or if someone comes up to you to talk to you, you can just easily pull it out. Controls are customizable on each of the earbuds. Sound quality is great on there. And it's nice that it's got the noise cancellation on there as well. Obviously using it will reduce the battery life on here. Comes with a great case, wireless charging capabilities on here as well. So there you go, I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. Hang around for the end cards, I'll have some more cool tech. Drop me a like and let me know what you thought of these earbuds. I've been so impressed, I'm gonna replace my existing Sound Magic Bluetooth headphones for this one. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.